Hello, so in this video I'll be teaching you addition of numbers with your hundred, tens and units. Number one, we have 413 plus 342. In addition, we start to calculate from the right hand side. We don't start from the left hand side. So we go on from there. 3 plus 2 will give us 5. 1 plus 4 will give us 5, and 4 plus 3 will give us 7, and that's our answer. Number 2, we start from here. Remember, 0 plus 4 will give us 4, 5 plus 2 will give us 7, and 8 plus 1 will give us 9, and that's our answer. Number 3, we start from here again, our right hand side. 6 plus 3 will give us 9, 5 plus 3 will give us 8, and as you can see, we don't have any number here, therefore we are going to break this one down, and that's our answer. Thank you so much for watching.